So I have a question for you guys. What is she doing? Is she fighting?
Not correct. She's fighting.
Okay, so my topic today is martial arts, and we're gonna talk about this topic. Martial arts is more than just fighting, and this has an original history in Vietnam. And in Vietnam, we have many types of martial arts like Vô Việt Nam, Taekwondo, Judo. Is a subject in the school of Vietnam, for example, like in FPT University, we have a Vô Việt Nam like a subject. Yes, and nowadays, besides improve in study, we have to notice about mental health, and martial arts is the way. Yeah, not just to protect ourselves is have better have a better life. Yeah.
Martial arts is not only focused on for men, but also the women can do it. Why I say like that? Because martial arts, the women can do in Vietnam. We have the celebrity athletes win the SEA Games. And I think martial arts is not only for men, but also for women and for everyone. Martial arts like Vô Việt Nam, Muay Thai it help people can be better day by day and believe in they can do and improve my physical health. Yes, that's all.
Yeah. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.